the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in bright white. Grand Caravan comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It rides on 17-inch Yokohama tires with excellent tread. On the driver's side door, it comes with power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. This Grand Caravan comes with premium leather seats. As we move down below, on the driver's side, it comes with power seats and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control. On the left, you have your voice recognition and your Bluetooth. And as we move in, the current kilometers are 22,578. The Grand Caravan has the Uconnect touchscreen, which has AM, FM, and satellite radio. You also have the navigation. Pressing that will lead you to where you need to go in full screen. As for the climate control, you have 3 zones. You have the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear seats. In the second row of the Grand Caravan, you have the 2 captain chairs. As we move to the back, you have 3 seats. For entertainment purposes, we have a DVD player. And once you're done in the back seat here, we have a button here. Pressing that will close the sliding door automatically for both sides. The trunk area has plenty of space with storage along the side. The third row can go as stow and go, along with the second row. And once you're done back here, there's also another button. Pressing that activates the power liftgate, closing it automatically. There you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you have any questions or you'd like to see more of the vehicle and take it for a test drive, come on down to Tower Chrysler. Or if you'd like to give us a call, you can at 403-278-2020. Until then, thank you for watching.